I know your team is working on something for Agent Sibiryakov. Send someone.
You'll be dead from the position by the time they arrive. I'm not here to grasp for straws.
Misery loves company. Call them.
They haven't made a final prototype yet. It's not even close to being finished.
I don't want finished, I want existent. You have 2 hours before it takes hold in your central nervous system, Dmitri. Until then, enjoy the internal damage.
Sparky! Gate boy, come on, get out of this bridge, come on. Get out of the bridge, come on. No!
That's it, I'm calling Red.
It's Red speaking. How may I help you?
I know it's Red, I have your number saved.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Sparky fell into the mini-fridge mid-interrogation. I need you to come over here and help me get him out.
Kind of in the middle of something right now, Donnie. I'm sorry.
Sparky's in the goddamn refrigerator!
You should see the stairwell right now, bro. Looks crazy.
Just forget it. I'm calling Clyde.
I better come over.
Do not leave. We cool? Gonzo, come on out. If he tries to escape, kill him.
Yeah, punk. Keep sitting there. Keep your hands behind your back, where they belong.
My hands are tied. They've been tied. Are you 16?
I'm 15 years old, pal. So don't even try anything.
Excuse me. I'm trying to work. This is kind of a time-sensitive thing here. One second, sir. 1 second.
I'm standing up. Tony said I'm allowed.
Nuh-uh.
Watch me.
Stop it.
You wanna see something cool?
If you're yanking on my chain, I swear to God, bro.
Role in how they perceive real people with mental illness. But to make
Alright, bro, what do you want?
My dog just got stuck in this refrigerator. It's a long story.
You need to open a ticket. Did you open a ticket? If you want to get in here, you need a ticket. Schedule it in advance.
I hijacked this clinic in a hostile takeover 3 months ago. What do you mean I need a ticket?
Did you fill out the acquisition form? For the building?
Man.
If you're freaking yanking on my chain, if you're freaking tugging on my, if you're freaking stroking my freaking chain, bro, I'm gonna get so mad you won't even. Don't touch my chain, bro.
What the hell is going on in here? I'll show you something super cool, girls. Trust.
I'm going to kill you if you're lying to me.
Gonzo.
For sure.
Are you even listening to me, bro? Didn't boss inject this guy with some infected blood like 2 hours ago?
I can't read this.
Yeah, he did. So why isn't he dying yet? He's immune, isn't he?
You're out of your mind.
No, he's gotta be immune.
I'm dying right now.
Boss, he's immune. Just 1 blood transfusion. That's all you need to recover. Get back quick. I'll meet you here, all right?
Okay, what's the trick?
Close your eyes for 30 seconds.
That's easy.
Where is he?
No, bro, I'm counting. 21, 22. Three, 24. All right, let's go get dinner.
killing shit in New York.